Are you a creative entrepreneur posting consistently online but still struggling to attract your dream audience? What if I told you that content marketing done strategically can turn confusion into clarity and start bringing the right people straight to your brand? Ciao, y'all. I'm Chiara, founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative arts entrepreneurs simplify content marketing with AI powered strategies that amplify the voice, grow their audience, and keep them in their creative flow. Today, I'm sharing how you can stop guessing, start crafting purposeful content, and finally attract the audience that matters most to your art brand. Many creatives feel lost online because they don't know who their dream audience is. Maybe they lack a clear content strategy. They experiment with random posts or quick hacks like paid ads in the hope of landing multiple sales and fast success. The result: confusion, overwhelm, and little meaningful growth. But here's the good news: this is fixable with strategy, consistency, and audience focused content. Content marketing isn't just posting on social media or sending newsletters. It's purposeful storytelling and education that attracts the people who need your work, services, or expertise. Through thoughtful strategic content, you can showcase your unique story, build trust and loyalty, position yourself as an authority in your niche, draw the audience that resonates with what you offer naturally. So here are the key steps to attracting your people. Step number one: define your ideal audience. Who are they? What are their challenges, desires, and interests? What questions do they ask most frequently? Find the right answers through direct conversations with your existing following or clients, run surveys, or invite them on a discovery call with you and listen carefully to what they say and the language they use, which you can then mirror back into your content to make it more resonant. You can also ask AI to help you with your audience research and create detailed personas to guide all of your content. You could ask AI something like this: I want you to act as a content strategist. Remember, giving AI a specific role will ensure a more detailed output, helping me understand my audience better. My audience consists of: describe your ideal client, for example, emerging artists or cultural institutions. Please research and list their top 5 pain points related to insert the main topic, for example, learning how to start painting, planning more accessible exhibitions, and such. Common questions they ask in forums, social media comments, or search engines. What they're trying to achieve, like goals, desires. You can draw from online conversations, audience patterns, and industry trends. If possible, include real wording or phrasing they might use. Step number two: craft purposeful content. Based on your audience research and all the precious info you've collected, you can start crafting purposeful content. Every post, blog, email, or video should serve your audience's needs, solve a problem, or inspire them. Remember, consistency beats randomness. So be intentional with every content piece you publish and ask AI for help. You could say something like this: write an engaging LinkedIn post about describe your topic idea based on one specific problem your audience is dealing with. Make sure to include describe specific key steps, takeaways, or go-to solution, and a final CTA, call to action, that motivates my ideal clients to describe your main goal. For example, join my email list. Keep it friendly, encouraging, and resonant. Step number three: test, refine, and optimize. Now it's time to optimize your AI generated content with your own tone of voice, unique perspective, and expertise to refine your messaging. Remember, personalization is what will make you sound authentic. Once you publish your fully polished content, track what works: engagement, website visits, newsletter signups, inquiries about your services or products, and keep streamlining your content strategy based on your results. For all three steps, AI tools are definitely a big advantage to speed up ideation, drafting, and optimization. But then always align with your human touch. When you follow this approach, growth becomes predictable, measurable, and meaningful. So stop guessing your work and start planning with intention. Purposeful, audience driven content is the bridge between your brand and the people who will support, share, and engage with it. Besides, growth doesn't have to be stressful. It can be strategic and even fun if you take the steps I just walked you through. Ready to simplify your content marketing with AI and attract the right audience? Then download my free guide, 5 AI powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing. It's packed with actionable tips to save time, boost engagement, and stay in your creative flow. And don't forget to subscribe for more content marketing guidance like this. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!